The Xiaomi Mi Band 2 received wide praise for its low price, the range of sensor, ease of use, adaptability and excellent app. But how does the Mi Band 3 improve upon this and the differences warrant an upgrade? Let's find out. Mi Band 3 screen is almost doubled, 0.78 inches compared to 0.42 inches for Mi Band 2. Also worth noting is the appearance of Mi Band 3 Trend 2.5D glass, which makes the screen panel more streamlined and rounded at the edges. The bracelet panel is treated with a UV coating process and is covered with an anti-fingerprint coating. The increased display of Mi Band 3 allowed to significantly expand the functionality of the device. The battery inside the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is a 110 mAh cell, which the company claims will last around 20 days from a single charge. There is also a slightly more expensive NFC variant of the Mi Band 3. You may be able to use NFC to make payments, but it's not currently clear how that would work in other markets outside China. It may well be the company doesn't release the NFC version around the rest of the world. Using an optical sensor, the Mi Band 3 will automatically track your heart rate during fitness activities and during sleep, but can also be configured for continuous heart rate monitoring at set intervals of 1, 10 or 30 minutes throughout the day. Mi Band 3 comes with Bluetooth 4.2 technology. Screen is a 0.78-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 128 by 80. Now all the data on physical activity will be more detailed. The text of the messages should be displayed darkly on the bracelet display. You can check the latest 5 messages. If message exceeds the display, you can further view it on next page and maximum up to 3 pages. And with the incoming call, Mi Band 3 will display the name of the caller ID. There is also pedometer features, plus when you're working out you'll get real-time stats on the screen of your distance, duration and more. That works for running, cycling and walking too, but there's no connected GPS on this tracker, so it won't be able to track your location or give you a totally accurate distance measurement. The selling point of the Mi Band series is simple: give users the function they really need and offer them at an unbeatable price. Even in the 4th generation and 4 years after the Mi Band 1, the Mi Band 3 keeps all the promises made by its predecessors. Guys, this Mi Band 3 default language is Chinese, so that's why it's showing Chinese text. If you wanna change the language from Chinese to English, first you need to install the modified Mi Fit app. For modified Mi Fit app, you can check the link in the description given below. After downloading this app, open the app, follow the instruction and the app will prompt you to open the phone's Bluetooth and pair with the Mi Band 3. It will now update new available firmware and English language will be displayed on the Mi Band 3. Now you can install this modified app and can download Mi Fit app from Play Store and pair it with the Mi Band 3. Guys, you can check WhatsApp messages, Facebook, Amazon, almost every app notification on the Mi Band 3, which is pretty mind-blowing. The outdoors visibility is okay but isn't great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you found the video useful. This is Scifigen and I am signing out.